welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you a makeup look that was very popular when I was in high school, which actually isn't that long ago, maybe like 2 or 3 years. But my friends like to call this the sexier version of my Pink Summer Glam makeup look, which I posted recently. And I am going to quickly do my base makeup because that's like pretty self-explanatory. The goal of the contour in this look is to give you a very nice slim bone structure, and that's like very hard for me, especially because I have like very chubby cheeks, so it's hard for me to contour my face in a way that'll like actually look good on me. But I'm going in with a thin brush to do my nose contour, and I'm using very straight lines. For those of you that have chubbier cheeks like me, I'm going to show you guys a trick. When you're blending your contour, you want to push upwards. Don't be too harsh on your face, but just like push your contour upwards, and it's going to give you a nice lifted look. And now I'm just going to bake my face. Again, I'm going to make sure the lines are as straight as possible and get really thin on the nose contour. And now I'm just going to jump into my eyeshadow. I'm using the Huda Beauty The New Nude eyeshadow palette. And I'm using the darkish purple color to go all over my eyelid and blending it really well, because I like a very blended look for some reason. I'm pretty sure most people do, but I just don't like those like really awkward straight lines where you can tell the difference between the makeup and the face. But yeah, I'm kind of like rambling now. And it's just gonna be like all over my eyelid. And I'm gonna wipe away the bake really quick. After that, I'm gonna quickly like cut my crease, but like not really. I'm just kind of like cleaning up some space for the next color. Now I'm going to take this dark purple glitter and I'm gonna go on my eyelid until my crease, because I want that to be like kind of sharp. And then I'm going to take this really light golden like champagne-y glitter, and I'm gonna highlight some areas. I'm just tapping it on, even though it kind of looks like I'm rubbing it on because it's like sped up a bit. I'm just gonna use it to highlight certain areas on my eyelid, and also I'm gonna put it into my inner corner and drag it towards my lower lash line. Then I'm going to use the same purple that I used earlier and put that on the outer corners of my lower lash line and blend it in nicely with the top lid. I'm gonna curl my lashes and put some mascara and eyeliner on and put on some false lashes. So I bought these from Amazon, and these are like magnetic lashes. They're so much easier than glue-ons and I love them. Time to put on my blush and blend it really hard until my face hurts. I'm gonna throw on some lipstick, and I'm not gonna overline my lips or anything because I think my lips are already like a decent size for my face. Last but definitely not least is highlighter. I'm gonna put some on and blend it using my fingers for a nice soft glow. And there you have it, guys. We're all done, and this is the final look. You can kind of like admire my face while I am just kind of posing for the camera, or you can be super duper awesome sauce and make sure to like, share, and leave a comment giving me feedback if you want, or if you just want to say hi, that's fine. Until next time, stay safe, stay clean, stay happy.